Here's JJ3.
Right.
Yep.
That sounds just.
It doesn't.
Guys, it is so early and it's freezing. It's 6:30 in the morning. I don't usually get up as early, but we're here.
So, Davis. How are you, buddy?
Alright, and you ready?
Yeah. It's a bit cold, 6.5 degrees.
It's a little cold.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Oh, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, the day has finally arrived.
You have to come forward.
Ping!
I have to edit you.
2:30.
2:30, you just. It's already
Uncle
making
Roger. You make Uncle Roger so angry I had to lift leg.
And then the reply then say, and then I got a big turbo. Oh no.
Huh? I'm your first. Go train racing in Holland. You JDM boy is wet. Go train
It's
racing.
1,000 man.
Oh, he's not coming here.
No, I'm busy fighting with somebody who doesn't even care about the situation.
Oh, sorry man.
I'm tired.
Is this?
I'm doing this for you.
Shut up, I appreciate it. I don't really care that you're here.
No.
I'm sorry.
Alright guys, and that's it for today's vlog.
Oh, we are currently at Dyno'd in Brackenfell. Yeah, we're waiting here for the G7. Oh no, this is the G6.
Yeah.
This is the black one. Which is the, what's the one we were supposed to take? So the right one. Was gonna take the white one, but then that got cancelled.
Because that turbo's still stock. It's 2020, we haven't got time for stock turbos anymore.
No. Bro, high protein is all about the guy. That's like a poop that's been lumming in there for the whole night. Damn. You need one of those KN95 masks for that though.
This is nice. I don't have this.
You think the Honda is coming for the Dyno?
I imagine there was a whole queue.
That I don't know about.
Yeah.
You're supposed
And
to
everyone's looking at us like we're absolute dickhead assholes.
Well, where?
Fuck that. No, we got you too early. We
Yeah.
don't even get you this early on a Dyno day.
No.
This is last night.
And the rental stops. Just sits there.
So what are we running?
Running E100, 95 run pump fuel, Shell V-Power. Mix ratio is 10 liters of pump to 1.5 liters of E100 ethanol, which is available at performance unit, mind you. So yeah, that's what we're running for today.
Can you predict how many? What's the figure for today?
I'm gonna go ahead and predict 260 kilowatts and 490 newton meters. A good 260 kilowatts. That's my prediction. It's kind of like the goal to get this car to 300 kilowatts, like 302, just so it's like a solid 300 kilowatts. But
How upset would you be if he's 299?
yo, that would break my heart, eh? Bro, honestly, I'll go to exhaust system immediately. I'm gonna go straight from here to power flow, bro. 76 more right through. Here we go, come. Because that's actually what I need to do still in terms of like the stage 3 modding of the car. The last thing that I need to do is the rest of my exhaust 76 more.
Showing the ball. Someone give it up. Someone give it up.
You got the right temperature and shut the from the start.
Oh my God, turn you on and go lie. Wanna be the papa, you can be them.
Uh-oh. Can you dyno my car, please? saw 260 there, so I'm in.
Goal achieved.
Goal achieved. My prediction was very, very close. It's okay. 260.2, 484.
Guys, it's been a long morning. We're officially done with the dyno. Just shy of my goal of 284 kilowatts, but we did get 260, so we're very pleased about that.
Oh yeah.
I'm not quite sure where this vlog's leading to, but we're going to transition to a different scene right now. And we're back. So today Matthew's coming to pick me up now. We're going to go over to Dane Hartnick. He's got his own shop. I know they do custom spraying and auto detailing and stuff like that. So we're going to go check out the new shop now. We're back with Matt Bags, aka Mr. Two-Tone himself, aka Performance Unit Capture.
Is that rain?
That actually does look like rain.
Ah, and wipers don't work in this car.
Wipers don't work, clean car, rain, Cape Town. What's up guys, so we just made it now to Dane's new shop. So the place is pretty much like they just got it now. There's nothing done to it, there's no signage and stuff like that. So we're gonna go inside, see what Dane's got to say and what they do here, and then just show you guys around. Hopefully you guys can use them. They offer quite a bit of services. So yeah, I'll link them down below. I'll tag them on what their socials are and we can check from there.
What's up, my name's Dyno'd. You can follow me on Instagram, Hartnick88. Yeah, this is our workshop, aesthetic auto detailing. So basically we do the detailing of cars, some mechanical work, number respray, caliper respray, and yeah, basically a one-stop shop.
Basically anything.
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 Besides taking Dakar. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. This is my performance unit MK6 GTi
K04. Don't forget that.
K04-ish.
Right guys, well that was short-lived. The neighbors in the industrial park weren't very happy with the pulls that we were doing with the cars, you know, testing out things.
I wasn't driving.
Yeah, no, look, it wasn't us, it was other people.
Names shall not be mentioned.
So yeah, we ended that quite quickly with a lot of swear words being thrown at us and stuff like that. So and I think we're going to go home after that. call it a day. Sweet.
Road trip.
Sweet. Cheers, go.
Safety.
See you tomorrow. Alright guys, well thanks for watching another episode of my vlogs. I think this is vlog number 5, so yay! I'm gonna try to get this one up before the weekend, which is starting tomorrow. So I've got some work to do. I'm gonna wash my car quickly because we're gonna take that out tomorrow. Doubt we're gonna be vlogging any of that, but we'll see. So thanks for tuning in. See you guys in the next one. You wanna add anything? Yeah? No? Okay. Alright guys, see you. Safe!
Look at this.
No, it's unacceptable.
You wanna throw this lappy away now? It's got bed poo on it. And what is in your diet that you're pooing hard chunks?